You can also insert out images directly by using an image URL inside of Google Drawing. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto another website and then copy out the URL first. So let's say what I want to do is I want to insert out this image right here. So to get its URL, I'm going to click on the image right here and just going to view the image. So I'm using a website called pixabay.com, which has a lot of free images for you to use. So over here, once I open up the image, you can see the image URL at the top. So I'm just going to copy this out. So to insert the image using URL, you need to click on Insert in Google Drawing, go to Images right here, and then click on By URL right here. So once you paste out the URL right here, you can see that it loads up the image and you can click on Insert. So once you do that, what happens is that it downloads the image out of the URL that you kept right there, and then you can edit out the image in your Google Drawing because it is inserted, as you can see. And that is how you can insert images directly from URL inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.